Hey, Arnie here with Arnie's Home Improvements. We're here at the house. We're going to try videotaping a little bit of a repair to a presentation box. Going to try doing this here a little bit and putting it together on a tripod and experimenting. So here we go. Okay, we're going to be repairing this little jewelry box here today. It's my grandson's for putting his rock collection in there. As you can see, it's got some broken corners, overuse of the hinges and stuff, and I repaired some of it last night, clamping this bar back on there and wood gluing it on top of there. So we're going to be using some Titebond premium wood glue. Also going to be using my Craftsman 135 psi little small compressor and my Hitachi 21 gauge pin nailer, and show you how that works. It's really awesome, and it's great for doing crown molding on cabinets and trim and things of that sort, and then we'll go from there. So let me get this set up and then okay, here we go. We're gonna take a little bit of glue and just put it on this piece of paper here to make it a little bit easier to get to and put everything into the corners. That should be plenty for this little project. So what we're going to do is take and dab just a little bit on these mitered corners here, spread it around. You see, this is gonna do 2 of them at a time. Get this all glue like worked into the corner here real good, and then we'll do this corner over here. This is just something that he had for his rock collection, and I guess through use and abuse of a small, pretty cheap object here, it came apart. So now what we're going to do is hold this up there and shoot a 1-inch pin nailer into it. This is my Hitachi pin nailer. I'm going to shoot one in there and one in there, and come over on this side, shoot one there, one there, and since this has a lot of pressure on the outward part of the hinge, we're going to put 2 in the other direction as well. And the pin nailer is the only real way to put this together because it's such a small, intricate nail. If I try to use a trim nailer, like a brad nail or something like that, it would be just too much and blow the actual little particle board apart. So we're going to continue and then put this together. What I'll do is probably just do these corners up like this and put the glue on these, put it together on the other thing, and close the box up before I actually shoot it together. So there we got that part. Oops, I want to get that messed up in there. Wipe that off. And put a little glue on this miter right here on the other side of the box, and we got to put this together with the hinge on it, I guess, because I don't want to take a chance on getting the little screws on the hinges out of there and then trying to put it back together and have the have it not work because of the wood, the particle board not getting back together correctly. So I'll get that little pleather stuff out of there, and we'll put this on this way. I know you probably can't see too well what I'm doing here. There we go. Now we got the box all together. I'm going to shoot the pin nails back in here just like I did the other side. I'll shoot one down this way. So then we'll shoot 2 more in this side here. And it kind of has a mind of its own. We're going to have to pull 2 of these pin nails back out with needle nose pliers. There we go. Get my Leatherman multi-tool out here. Pull this pin nail through. And, oh, I got two of them over here. Alright, so cool. That's one nice thing. These are headless nails. So if you do make a little mistake like that, then you can just pull them through. This one, of course, wants to be a little difficult. There we go. We got it. And we should be good to go. There it is. So anyway, we'll let you know how this turns out. Oh, then here's the little divider panels that go in the bottom of the box. Now that we got this together, I'll pull this up, slide that in there, and there's a presentation box, all fixed up, ready to go for my grandson. He'll be liking that. So anyway, I appreciate you watching a little video, and we'll get back with you later. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.